Here we are in section 2.2 with the answers to number 13 through 21. Here we have 3.6y equals 18. We're going to divide by 3.6, divide by 3.6, and we get y equals, punch 18 divided by 3.6 into the calculator, and we get 5. Number 14, 94.8 equals 23.7x. We're trying to get x by itself, so we've got to divide by the 23.7. And if we punch that in, 94.8 divided by 23.7, that gives us that x equals 4. Number 15, negative 2.1z divided by 12.6. We're going to divide by a negative 2.1, divide by a negative 2.1, and we get z equals negative 6. Number 16. 2 steps here. We've got to subtract 7 first. We get 7y equals 28, and then divide both sides by 7. Divide by 7, and we get y equals 4. Number 17. 2z plus 13 equals 3. Again, we're trying to get z by itself, so let's get rid of that by minusing a 13, minus a 13. 2z then equals negative 10. Divide by 2 to break up this multiplication here, and we get z equals negative 5. Number 18, 4y plus 25 equals 13. First take care of the addition subtraction, so minus 25, and we get 4y equals negative 12. Divide by 4, and we get y equals a negative 3. Number 19, here we have subtract the 21, subtract the 21. Now notice we had to get rid of the 21. It was positive by subtracting, and we're left still with a negative x equaling a negative 8. So now we have to get rid of this negative, so we can divide by a negative 1, divide by a negative 1. We could have times by negative 1 on either side as well. We end up with x, because these two are positive, and negative 8 divided by negative 1 is a positive 8. So number 20, subtract 9, that's important. This minus sign is on that 5, not on the 9. So we have to get rid of that positive 9 with a negative 9. So we get negative 5y equals 18. Divide by a negative 5, and we get y equals negative 18/5. If you'd like to stick that in your calculator and write negative 3.6, that's also fine. And then number 21. Here we've got to get rid of that negative 14, so we've got to add 14. Negative 6y equals 17 plus 14 is a 31. Now we've got to get rid of this negative 6, but it is multiplying the y, so that's why we divide by a negative 6. We get y equals negative 31/6. You could write that as, punch that in the calculator, you get negative 5.16 with a line just over the 6, or negative 5 and a 6th. Good.